Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the NIT recruitment notification 2020. Here the total 93 vacancies are there. Out of this one, few direct recruitment vacancies are there. And these are the permanent jobs. Here the pay scales are going to available to the selected candidates, and the eligibility is UG or PG. And the salary is up to 1,12,400 rupees per month. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. And here the recruitment of non-faculty posts are available here. And the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jalandhar invites online applications from the Indian nationals for the recruitment of the following non-teaching posts in the institute. So coming to the vacancies here, the name of the posts are technical assistant for the under the department biotechnology, civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer science, information technology, industrial and production engineering, mechanical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, textile technology, chemistry and physics. So coming under this one, the total 23 vacancies are there, and here the pay scale is level 6, that is 35,400 to 1,12,400 rupees per month. And coming to the SAS assistant, here the one post is there. It is also the level 6 category. And coming to the junior engineer, here the civil engineering and electrical engineering, both these two are there. It is also the level 6 category. And coming to the senior technician, civil engineering, computer science, information technology, mechanical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, electronics and communication, textile engineering. The total 8 vacancies are there, and it is a level 4 category, that is 25,500 to 81,100. And coming to the technician in the biotechnology, civil, chemical, computer science and engineering, information technology, industrial and production engineering. So it is a level 3 category, 21,700 to 69,100. And a few more departments are also there, mechanical, instrumentation, electrical, electronics, textile and chemistry. And coming to the junior assistant category, it is a level 3 and the senior assistant is a level 4, and the stenographer is also required at the level 4 category and the senior stenographer and the office attendant. So among all these recruitment, the total 93 vacancies are there, and these are all the very good pay scales, guys, and all are the permanent job positions. And here the detailed educations you can find out in the Annexure 1 and Annexure 2. For your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And the link for the online application form opens 1st November 2020 and closes on 30th November 2020. And so on the date of written or shorthand or typing or physical test, shortlisted candidate shall be required to bring the printout of his or her online application form along with the documents. So you have to keep the online application form carefully with you. And coming to the age limitation is there. Okay, so you can check down here the age limitations also. And the application fee is candidates belongs to UR, OBC and EWS 500 rupees. Okay, and the same shall be paid through online. And there is no application fee for the SC, ST and PH or women candidates. And few general conditions are given here, so you may check down. Okay, so coming to the qualifications, and here you can check down the qualification for each and every post. Coming to the technical assistant, the qualification required are first class or equivalent grade in BTech or MCA in relevant subject, or first class diploma in engineering in relevant field, or first class bachelor's degree in science or master's degree in science from a recognized university. And so here it is a 75% by the direct recruitment will happens. Okay, it is the method of recruitment, and 25% by the promotion. And coming to the few more details you can check here. And coming to the next post, that is junior engineer or SAS assistant or library and information assistant. It is a group B, and the qualifications required are first class BE or BTech in civil or electrical engineering, or first class diploma for SAS assistant, first class bachelor's degree in physical education, and library and information assistant, first class bachelor's degree in science, arts, commerce from recognized university. So like that, here the diploma, undergraduation or post graduation, these qualifications are enough, guys. So it is a 100% direct recruitment is going to be happen. Okay, so you may check down all the details very clearly, because here the details are clearly mentioned for all the different types of posts. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please check down, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SVNK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINI. Okay, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.